Welcome to my channel. On this video, I'll be showing you how to make a paper ranunculus using the Cricut for Silhouette. I have my templates and materials listed and linked below the video. First, you'll have to use the print and cut option. You can use this template without printing and use a solid color if you like. If you choose to print, you'll have to print the front and back. There will be more detailed directions for this in the template file. Once you have it cut, group them in their size and shape the petals by curling them in. I like to shape them in a bundle as a shortcut. Also, poke a hole in the center. Every flower should be curled in and have holes in the center. Only the last two flowers of the biggest shape should have petals curled out. Use any colored tissue paper and ball onto a floral stem. Then cover that with another green tissue paper. Start adding from smallest to biggest flowers onto floral stem, gluing the bottom and each petal. Lastly, add the bottom leaves and floral tape the two side leaves. Thank you for following along our channel. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.